Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will see how we can add an extension called RooCode in our VS Code editor. Right now, RooCode is becoming very popular among developers. RooCode is an open source AI-powered coding assistant that works as an extension for Visual Studio Code. It goes beyond basic auto-completion by allowing AI agents to read, write, modify multiple files across your code base, run tests, and execute commands. Users can customize it to use their own AI models like from OpenAI or local LLMs and have control over what actions the AI can take. So we get a lot of control and flexibility with this extension, and the way it works by utilizing the agents behind the scenes is amazing. So you can also read more about it on roocode.com. To install RooCode, let's go to the extensions tab and type RooCode. You get the suggestion on top. Click on it, then it asks you to trust the publisher, install the extension. Once the extension is added, we need to first do the minimal required configuration to get started with it. It does not come with already registered integrated API keys or providers like we saw in case of Copilot. Rather, we have to select the provider and we need to set up the keys for that provider to make it work. There is a fast list of providers available over here. For example, if we select Amazon Bedrock, it allows us to use different available ways to connect to AWS Bedrock service. If we select API key option, then we can provide the API key, else like it depends on what option is selected. We can select a provider like Gemini where we can connect using only API key because that's the available option. If we don't have the Gemini key, we can click in to get the Gemini key. This will take us to Gemini's page. We will need to do a login to a valid Gmail account here to get the API key. Now, after coming on ai.google.dev, we have to go to Google AI Studio. Here we have this option, Google AI Studio. On this page, you should be able to see the Get API Key option on the bottom left corner. And here on this page on top, we have Create API Key button, on clicking of which it starts generating the Gemini API key. Once it is generated, we can copy this API key and use it with the Gemini provider inside VS Code or inside the RooCode extension.